Now for the moment of truth. So the bearing is not in there. Maybe it is. Maybe that is the bearing. I don't know. This is the bearing.
It's so blurry to me now. There we go. Gotta turn on the light, the little light thing.
So this is what we're looking at. I believe that's the bearing. Doesn't look to be spun. Here, Jay. Hold this real quick. And I'm gonna push this up. Piston pulled up. Doesn't look as if bearing didn't spin. It's knocked loose because of me up here fiddling with it, but bearing didn't spin. No spun bearing. So we'll take out check the journal of the camshaft. Okay, Jay. Go get me brake pad. Brake cleaner.
Okay.
And one of those colored rags.
Okay. And the color rag?
Or bring me the blue rags first and then the color rag second.
Okay. That's the blue rag.
The paper towels.
Okay. And the color rag. There you go. I'm gonna go get the other. I'm gonna get the paper one too. Color.